This is Wilhelmina, Water Pump Willie's girlfriend. I built her out of an old smoker. The eyes are 3/4 inch brass hose adapters with solar-powered LEDs glued in the center. Her head is made out of a coal bucket. The hair is fescue Elijah bluegrass. The LED eyes are from a Walmart solar pathway light I took apart. The arms are 3/4 inch flex pipe. They are attached to the body with a 90-degree fitting and a pipe flange. This is what she looks like when her eyes are turned on after the sun sets.